Hi everyone, in this video we're going to make a painting that is inspired by the Russian artist Vasily Kandinsky. In 1913 he made a painting titled Squares with Concentric Circles, and that's the inspiration for this lesson. Kandinsky was working with different color combinations and seeing how they played off of each other. Here are some different examples made by my students. Cool colors: blue, green, purple. Cool colors make you think of cool things, like ice-cold water. Warm colors: red, orange, yellow. Warm colors create warm feelings, like think of fire. Yellow-orange sand on the beach on your bare feet, with the yellow sun burning down, giving you a sunburn. Think of a hot, spicy pepper. When you're painting your circles today, try using a color wheel and put colors that are across from each other on the color wheel together. Those are complementary colors. When they're across from each other, it's called complementary. And if you mix these together in paint form, it should give you a neutral color, usually a gray or a brownish color. You will need a large piece of white paper. This is 12 by 18 inches, and a pencil. I will be using tempera paint cakes today. These are in a palette. These are the cakes. What you do is you add water to it and it creates the paint, like what's on my finger here. If you don't have tempera paint, you could also use watercolor paint for this project. You will need a cup of water, some paint brushes, and probably some paper towels to wipe your brushes off on. Let's begin. I'm going to start by folding the paper in half. I'm going to take the left edge and bring it over to the right edge, and then crease it on the fold line. Then I'm going to bring the top edge down to the bottom edge, folding the paper in half again. This is 1/4 of the original size. Then I'm going to fold this paper in half from left to right, so that I end up with 1/8 of the original size. After you've completed folding it, we're going to open it back up to its original size. I've unfolded my paper and I'm left with 8 boxes, 8 rectangles. In each one of these boxes, I'm going to use my pencil and I'm going to draw circles or rings. Okay, they can be oval too. I'm going to start in the center of each box and work my way outward, starting with the smallest circle first and ending with the largest one. So in each box, I'm going to repeat those steps until the whole drawing is finished, and then I'm ready to start painting. Now I'm done drawing all of the circles. They remind me a little bit of fingerprints. So when you're ready to paint, wet your brush in the cup of water and then swish it around in that tempera paint cake. Right? The water will mix with the pigment and create a paint. All right, and you can start on any of the 8 boxes, whichever one you want to start with. Okay, and remember to think about different color combinations and try experimenting with that. See how they play off of each other. Try using complementary colors. Try making one entire box of just cool colors like blue, green, and purple. Maybe try another one where you just use warm colors, yellow, reds, and oranges. Okay? You can also leave some of the paper white. You can also use black. You can mix white and black together to make a gray. So have fun, experiment. I'm going to speed up the video, and when I'm done with my artwork, we'll talk about it and see how it came out. I'm all finished with my painting of concentric circles. I really like how the color combinations worked out. I tried many different combinations. I did some with warm colors, I did some with cool colors, I used complementary colors. I even used some colors of some of my favorite DC characters, like Harley Quinn, Joker, the Batman. So I hope you enjoyed making this project with me today. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time.